If your jeans and polo feel basic or a little dated, you're not alone. A few smart changes can turn that simple outfit into a sharp, modern uniform. You're a busy man who wants to look clean and put together without overthinking it. I've spent years studying what works for men over 40. Today, you'll get a simple system that works fast. Let's start with something men often overlook: the jeans. Because the wrong pair can ruin the whole outfit before the polo even goes on. Guys focus on shirts and shoes, but denim sits right in the middle and holds everything together. After 40, denim becomes trickier. Your body shifts, your style evolves, life changes. Yet many men keep wearing the same jeans they've had for years without asking if they still represent who they are. That choice sends a quiet message every time you walk into a room. Jeans that are oversized add bulk and make you look older. Jeans that cling too much look forced and younger than the rest of your style. The sweet spot is the space right in the middle: clean, steady, confident. Fit shapes everything. Straight, slim, or tailored cuts work best at this stage. Nothing extreme. Skinny fits squeeze your frame and warp your proportions. Baggy fits add weight and make your shoes look clumsy. Think of jeans as the frame of a picture, so if the frame is wrong, nothing else looks right. Choose a mid-rise. It supports your midsection and helps your shirt sit clean. Your jeans should follow your leg without clinging. The seat and thighs should skim the body. Not stretch, not sag. If you struggle to sit, they're too tight. If they bunch up when you stand, they're too loose. Picture a Saturday morning. You pull on those old light blue boot cuts. They feel comfortable, but the mirror tells a different story. The outfit looks dated, and so do you. Now change one thing. Swap them for dark, straight-leg denim with a clean mid-rise. Suddenly your posture lifts, your shape looks stronger, and you appear more current, before adding anything else. That shift comes down to wash. Dark and clean is the most modern choice. Mid-blue works casually, but heavy fades and distressing pull the whole outfit backward. Which brings us to a key truth. You're not too old for jeans. You're too old for the wrong jeans. Length shapes the entire silhouette. When denim puddles at your ankles, it drags everything down and shortens your legs. A clean hem at the top of your shoe makes you look taller and more put together. 1 inch makes a real difference. When your denim is dialed in, everything above it works harder. The polo sits cleaner. The jacket falls better. The shoes look sharper. People may not know why, but they notice the difference. And that leads us to the next piece, at the polo. A simple shirt, yet far more powerful than most men realize. Many men think a polo is simple. The easy shirt you grab when you don't want a tee, but you don't need a button-up. Yet after 40, it becomes one of the easiest shirts to get wrong. A poor polo adds weight in the wrong places. It shortens your frame. It softens your chest and midsection. It can age you in seconds. You've seen the issues. Long, boxy polos that hang past the hips, sleeves that flare out and make the arms look smaller, collars that collapse halfway through the day. Even paired with great jeans, the whole outfit falls apart. A good polo does the opposite. It sharpens your shoulders, cleans up your torso, and adds quiet structure without looking forced. Your shoulder seams should sit right on the edge, not sliding down, not creeping upward. Sleeves should hit mid-bicep and sit close to the arm, not tight, not floating, just close enough to show controlled strength. The torso should skim the body, not cling, not billow. As you move, the shirt should move with you, not stick to your stomach or balloon around the waist. Think of it like a confident handshake. Steady, balanced, intentional. Fabric plays a major role. Thin, cheap cotton collapses quickly. It clings to the stomach, shows every line underneath, and loses shape after a few washes. You end up adjusting it all day. You want fabric with integrity, PK knits or refined jersey. These hold shape, drape with purpose, and keep your torso clean. They hide minor midsection changes and give a more grounded, confident look. Then there's the collar, the frame around your face. A strong collar lifts your presence, supports your jawline, and stays sharp throughout the day. A weak collar folds down, making you look tired before you say a word. Picture a casual Friday. You grab an old polo, long, faded, flimsy collar. Even with great jeans, the mirror pushes back. You see a version of yourself that feels older than you really are. Now switch one piece. Same jeans, but a clean fitted polo in navy or charcoal. The collar stands. The hem hits perfectly at mid-zipper. The sleeves shape your arms. And suddenly, your entire presence feels sharper, more awake, more intentional. All from one refined choice. This is the belief breaker. Polos aren't dadwear, but bad polos are dadwear. When your denim is sharp and your polo is dialed in, you're wearing a uniform that works anywhere. Clean, modern, effortless. To take that uniform even further, you elevate it with color, contrast, and texture. After 40, the wrong color can drain your face, while the right one lifts it and makes you look alert and confident. Begin with neutrals: navy, charcoal, olive, stone, soft grays. These shades suit nearly every skin tone. They feel mature without being boring. Bright colors often look loud or juvenile and can make an otherwise modern outfit look out of place. Neutrals project calm strength. Contrast also matters. Dark jeans pair well with mid-tone or darker polos. A deep green or charcoal polo with indigo denim feels modern and refined. Mid-blue denim looks great with deeper tones like burgundy, ink navy, or forest green. The closer the color sits to your face, the more influence it has. The polo does the heavy lifting. A flattering shade brightens the skin and wakes up your eyes. An unflattering one dulls everything. Try holding different colors near your face in natural light. You'll instantly see which tones serve you. Texture adds refinement. A piqué polo brings depth. A smooth jersey polo has a clean, understated finish. Mixing textures like dark denim with a textured knit or a smooth, flat denim with a crisp piqué adds quiet sophistication. Imagine yourself walking into a restaurant in dark jeans and a charcoal polo. Nothing loud, nothing flashy, but the colors and textures work. The fit is clean. You look like a man who knows his style without needing labels or trends to prove it. So now let's build the outfits that carry you through the week. Clean casual covers coffee runs, lunches, or time with family. Mid-blue tailored jeans, a neutral polo in gray, navy, or stone, and crisp white sneakers or suede loafers. Easy, relaxed, but never sloppy. Smart casual works for casual Fridays, meetups, and work lunches. Start with dark indigo denim. Tuck in your polo and add a slim leather belt. Loafers, derbies, or Chelsea boots finish the look. If you need a layer, reach for an unstructured blazer or a suede bomber. It reads as capable and intentional without being formal. Evening confidence is your dinner or drinks formula. Charcoal or black jeans paired with a deep-colored polo. Ink, burgundy, or olive. Add sleek boots, a simple watch, and a subtle cologne. The darker tones create presence without trying too hard. Picture it. One day, 3 looks. Clean casual for errands. Smart casual for a meeting. Evening. Confidence for dinner. No stress, no full wardrobe change. Just smarter combinations built on the same base. A truth worth remembering. You don't need more clothes, you need better combinations. Let's expand those combinations with a few more ideas for everyday life. These follow the same jeans and polo foundation, but each one is tuned for a different moment in your life. Travel, weekends, dates, warm weather, or evenings when you want to look a little more refined. The first is the airport smart traveler. Travel days are when most men give up. They throw on sweatpants, old hoodies, and running shoes, thinking comfort is all that matters. The problem is you never know who you'll meet in an airport, or how that first impression sets the tone for the day. By choosing dark stretch denim, a soft navy polo, minimal sneakers, a lightweight bomber, and a clean leather backpack, you stay comfortable without looking sloppy. You move easily, you look calm, you look intentional, and you immediately separate yourself from the crowd. Next is the Saturday Dad Upgrade. This is for grocery runs, weekend errands, kids' games, or just moving through your day. Most men default to gym shorts or old jeans, but you don't need to. A pair of mid-blue jeans with an olive polo, chocolate suede loafers, a casual canvas belt, and a field jacket. When it's cooler, gives you a look that's still relaxed and practical, but with a level of quiet order. You look like the man who has things handled, even on a Saturday. Then there's the lunch date look. This one is clean, warm, and confident without trying too hard. Charcoal jeans give you structure. A cream or off-white polo brightens your face. Chelsea boots and a brown belt bring everything together. Add a light, subtle scent, and you're ready for a lunch date, a casual dinner, or meeting someone important in a relaxed setting. It's refined without being stiff, the perfect middle point. Another option is the polished summer look. Warm days often push men into shorts and sandals, but you can stay cool and still look sharp. Lightweight dark jeans keep the base clean. A pale gray polo softens the look and reflects light. Minimal sneakers add comfort without bulk, and thin-frame sunglasses finish it off. It's simple, breathable, and polished, ideal for warm afternoons or weekend outings. And finally, there's the quiet luxury evening look. This one is all about calm confidence. Black jeans, a deep navy polo, black boots, a simple watch, and a subtle evening cologne create a look that speaks softly but carries weight. No logos, no bright colors, just rich tones and clean lines. It's the kind of outfit that makes people assume you appreciate quality, even if every piece is affordable. Now that you have formulas for every part of your week, let's tweak them for different body types so every man watching can wear these outfits well. Bodies shift after 40, but great style stays within reach by adjusting the details. When your weight sits more in the stomach area, mid-rise jeans become your best friend. They sit where your body naturally wants them and keep everything balanced. Low-rise styles only push the midsection upward and shorten your torso. Choose polos with structure, fabrics that glide over the body instead of clinging. A solid piqué or refined jersey creates clean lines and gives you a confident, steady shape without squeezing or outlining anything. For men with stronger or fuller thighs, athletic taper and straight slim cuts offer the right balance. They give room where you need it while keeping a modern line toward the ankle. Skip anything super skinny. Tight denim grabs at the thigh, strains the seams, and throws the whole silhouette out of proportion. The aim is ease and control, not compression. For shorter men, long, clean lines are the priority. Dark jeans with little to no break add instant height and make the legs look longer. Choose polos that land around mid-zipper level. Longer hems chop the body in half and pull your eye downward. Keeping the proportions tight gives you a taller, sharper silhouette without changing your actual height. For tall, slimmer frames, texture is a quiet advantage. A textured polo fills out the chest and shoulders and gives your upper body more presence. Mid-blue denim adds balance and prevents your frame from looking too narrow. Skip overly long tops and extra slim cuts. They stretch the body visually and can make you look more lanky than strong. And now let's correct the final issues that can still age your outfit. Running shoes with everyday outfits break proportions and make your clothes look accidental. Save them for the gym. Minimal sneakers or leather shoes give you comfort and respect. Oversized polos cut the body in half and make you look slouched. Shorten the hem by 2 or 3 inches or choose a better cut. Boxy denim, boot cuts, thick stitching, heavy fades anchors you in the early 2000s. Clean, simple cuts modernize everything instantly. Loud logos pull attention from you to the label. Subtle details look stronger and more mature. Grooming matters more than ever. Clean beard lines, neat hair, trimmed nails, and a simple watch send a message of self-respect. Picture the classic airport outfit. Running shoes, a logo polo, faded jeans. Comfortable but careless. Swap 3 things: minimal sneakers, a fitted polo, and dark denim. That's it. Just those small upgrades shift the entire tone. You stay just as comfortable, but your presence rises. You look like a man who knows where he's going and isn't drifting through the day. The real mistake isn't wearing the wrong pieces, it's assuming the details don't matter. Details are what separate grown men from everyone else. Details make simple outfits look refined. Details show confidence without saying a word. With the mistakes out of the way, you're ready for the final step, turning this knowledge into a style that supports the man you're becoming. Let's wrap it up. The message today was simple. Even a basic outfit becomes powerful when you choose it with intent. That's the new standard now. You're not dressing to blend in, but you're dressing to match the life you're building. If you want to take this further, watch my video How Men Over 40 Should Wear Jeans. It picks up right where this one ends and helps you refine every detail. If this added value for you, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to look sharper too. Carry this thought with you. When you show the world a stronger version of yourself, the world responds in a stronger way.